Hey, welcome back to Two Super Guys Trade Stocks. I'm Dylan.
And I'm Vinny, and today was a hell of a day for Alibaba. A lot of red in the portfolio. So I figured, what the hell? Let's have a drink, talk about it, maybe pour one out for the portfolio a little bit. What do you think? Get a little Angel's Envy here. It's pretty good stuff. Oh, yeah, got to pour on camera,
You just
and a
spilled it
little
all
bit
over
for
your
me too,
desk.
because I really need it. All right. Well, we're all Alibaba bulls here, so it happens. We saw people lighting up our comments on all our other videos talking about it today because everyone was feeling the pain a little bit. So we figured we'd come on here and hang out a little bit.
I also poured whiskey. This is depressing. Not Angel's Envy. Angel's Envy is great. If you'd like this kind of entertaining stock market content, where there's two stupid guys who are losing all our money on Baba, go ahead and give us a like and subscribe. Two stupid guys trade stocks.
Hey, Dylan, we might want to change the name of the channel to Two Stupid Guys Become Raging Alcoholics if they invested too much in Chinese tech stocks. Does
I'm
that fit on
doubling
like a
down.
t-shirt? I bought
Okay.
some more today too.
Yep. But 20 more shares.
Yeah, nice. Well, at least we're being in good company when we go to bankruptcy court.
Oh yeah, except I'm at I think I'm at double what you are. I'm more heavily
Yeah, well,
invested.
I think I have another 40 shares in their account, so I'm like 150 or so
Okay,
total right now.
we're close.
Yeah,
All
yeah,
right,
still more, but yeah.
we're gonna take a look at some interesting things that happened today. Uh, you a fan of Shark Tank, my man?
I am not. Yeah, I know this article is about Kevin O'Leary. Well, rumor is he just kind of sold out at the right time. So
Sold out at the right time?
right time, right time.
Wait, he bought.
No, not Alibaba, but like that's his career is built upon building a company and then
Oh,
selling it out at the top.
okay, fair enough. So this guy, who's actually he's my favorite on Shark Tank, just because his deals are
Wow.
terrible. Like they're just the worst deal for the person that's having the business. But anytime you get an analyst calling multi-billion-dollar market cap, stocks growing in an economy that's larger than ours, uninvestable, that's a buy signal, right?
Yeah. You're heading towards peak fear, certainly at that point in time.
Yeah,
You
it's
think, oh, I don't know.
it's the same thing. I think Buffett was saying when everyone and their mother is saying buy, 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 that's when you want to sell. So what was it? Buy on greed? No, sell on greed,
Be
buy on
greedy when
fear.
others are fearful, and be fearful when others are greedy.
Close enough.
Yeah, it's a great quote.
Um, we've already done a delisting video. Won't bore you with that. This is the other big thing. China. They are having the worst COVID cases in like the last 2 years. So yeah,
Hmm.
right here, 2 years. Great time. Um, horrible time. You want to go into that? Horrible timing for this to happen as the
Yeah,
delisting fears are also happening. Really, the stupid thing is the delisting thing is just the same story that's happened like 3 times.
yeah.
Nothing,
You just
nothing new.
rinse and repeat. It's kind of like a crazy ex-girlfriend. It keeps coming back to haunt you.
I've had that.
Yeah,
Boom. Here's a chart.
yeah,
Let me get rid
yeah.
of this.
That. Hey, you know what though? It's a great like. What do you think? Like, in all honesty, based on the chart, nothing with fundamentals. Does this still look like a short to you? Can you still make some money on the downside here?
Well, you have to zoom out a long time to see the full thing here because this giant down thing is only at 235 and we were at 350.
Hmm.
The thing is, we did a video earlier. I showed you this big support and bad news. Obviously, we gapped below it, so we didn't get to put up much of a fight. The last
Yeah.
time we hit an RSI of 20 was right here. We did have a buy up. Theoretically, should be a good time to buy. We had another one right here. Once again, buy up. It just came right back down though.
Yeah. So short term
Theoretically, should
opportunity.
short term have some relief.
Okay. All right. I can see that. Um, in terms of kind of like trading and stuff like that, because I do a couple different strategies. So obviously I'm long Alibaba, but I also sell covered calls against a position, and I'm also doing some call credit spreads to help make a little bit of money back on the on
Mhm.
the, on the downside here. But I was just kind of curious what your thought was as far as that. I actually took my my bearish trade off today, just because it was such a big gap down today. But might be interested to see what the bounce looks like.
So, okay, market makers. This might be more technical than we were hoping. Market makers, they want to make money on the bid and ask, right? So anytime you have a gap right here, think of it as lost shares where they didn't get buying or selling power to see the balance of the market. Usually, they want to fill that gap relatively quickly. The issue is this is a Hong Kong trading stock too, so it's like trading like
Yeah,
18 hours a day. It's not like a normal thing.
it gaps a lot.
Yeah, it gaps a lot, which is kind of it's not really traditional compared to all the other stocks. This is our last support, 58, quite a ways from where we're at.
Okay. So Dylan's prediction: short-term bounce up, and then
And then I have
continue
no
downward
idea.
trend to 58.
Dylan's prediction, short-term bounce up. I have no idea after that.
All right.
That's
I
it.
like it. So you
All
think I should
right.
get back, double down on some calls for long side tomorrow, and then maybe once that makes me a little bit of money back for my losses, I can go ahead and go back short?
Screw it. I'll buy calls with you. If you just want to do leaps.
Yeah, might as well.
All right, I'll buy some leaps. What's the point? I've already lost like 20 grand on it, so who cares?
Yeah. Hey,
So that
still
200
probably
bucks.
pales in comparison to a Fubu trade so far, right?
They're about the same.
Jesus Christ. I didn't think we were that territory yet, but
Yeah.
that's unfortunate.
Dylan's
All right,
portfolio is having a
guys.
great time.
Yeah, well, share your thoughts with us in the comments below. We'd love to hear about where you're at as far as Alibaba goes. Hey, if it makes you feel better, I did see a poll today on YouTube on one of the other channels, and the 80% of respondents said they think there's another 20% down to come. So when that number kind of looks like that skewed, to me, it means it's probably getting towards peak fear territory.
Honestly, I've lost so much this time. I don't care. I'm just going to buy calls. I'm over it.
Yeah, be the
All
optimist.
right. Cheers,
All right,
guys.
see you guys.
See you later.
Yeah, let us know what you're
Boom.
drinking.
Later.